Dear students, I start with lecture 1 of Math 311. This is the first lecture. The name of the paper, that is Operation Research for theory portion, and we start with unit 1, that is inventory problems. What you mean by inventory? I think you must know about inventory, but the classical definition for mathematics is here. And first read it. Definition of inventory. Inventory is defined as the physical stock of goods, units or economic resources that are stored or reserved for a smooth, efficient and effective functioning of business. मतलब છે કે તમારા બિઝનેસને બરાબર સારી રીતે ફંક્શન કરવા માટે બધી જ રીતની વસ્તુઓ તમને ઉપલબ્ધ થાય. કઈ કઈ છે એ અહીંયા મેન્શન કરેલું છે. હવે એની અંદર તમને પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ પણ આવતા હોય. ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, એના પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ વિશે આપણે વાત કરીશું, પણ એની પહેલા ટાઈપ વિશે વાત કરી લઈએ. જસ્ટ સી હે. So inventory is defined. How we define? You should take care for this. તમે 2 થી 3 વાર આને વાંચો અને પછી એની જે ટાઈપ છે એના પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ વિશે આપણે ચર્ચા કરીશું. ડાયરેક્ટ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, ઇનડાયરેક્ટ ઇન્વેન્ટરી. હવે ડાયરેક્ટ ઇન્વેન્ટરીની અંદર શું ઇફેક્ટ કરે છે? રો મટીરીયલ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, વર્ક ઇન પ્રોગ્રેસ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, ફિનિશ્ડ ગુડ્સ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, સ્પેર પાર્ટ્સ ઇન્વેન્ટરી, અને ઇનડાયરેક્ટમાં ફંક્શન fluctuation inventory, anticipation apexit inventory, transportation inventory and decoupling inventory. Decoupling means we are taking things separate and alag karna. So these are the types of inventory and the subtypes of inventory for the particular direct inventory and indirect inventory. જોઈ લો ધ્યાનથી. Cost involved in inventory problem. So first cost which is involved there is purchase cost. So I am going to write it. purchase cost Notation for us is C, the actual price paid for the procurement that is ખરીદ કિંમત ગુજરાતીમાં of item is called purchase cost. The next one is inventory holding cost. And the notation is C1 or H. The cost associated with holding the goods in stock is known as inventory holding cost. The next one is shortage. Shortage cost. And notation for that is C2 or pi. This cost arise. This cost arises due to shortage of goods. Dear students, it is very easy for you to understand all these things, but as a part of syllabus we have to do this. The next one is setup cost. Or ordering cost. Or replenishment. Replenishment cost. Replenishment means ફરીથી ભરવું. Replenishment means ફરીથી ભરવું. And the notation is C3 or A. This is the fixed cost. Associated with placing of an order or setting up machinery before starting production. Total inventory cost. Total inventory cost. And the notation is TC. If price discounts are available, then total cost PC equal to purchase cost, inventory holding cost plus shortage cost plus ordering cost. So in the last one, if price discounts are available, then total cost is purchase cost, inventory holding cost, shortage cost and ordering cost. When price discounts are not available, then more suitable is not offered. Then total cost is inventory holding cost plus shortage cost plus ordering cost. At that time there is no purchase cost. So try to read it all this and get familiar with yourself. with these words. PC, this is purchase cost. IHC, inventory holding cost. SC, shortage cost. OC, that is ordering cost. And TC for total cost, total inventory cost, means sum up all. When price discounts are not offered, then total cost is inventory holding cost, shortage cost, ordering cost. So after this, next we discussed about demand. So next we discuss about demand. You don't know about demand? You know about demand. But we are learning as per the special situation, and the classical definition of demand is as follows. Demand. The size of the demand is the number of units required in each period. This is definition of demand. હવે અમુક પર્ટિક્યુલર સમયગાળામાં તમને જે વસ્તુની જરૂર હોય એવું આપણને પહેલેથી ગાળો ખબર હોય અથવા આટલું થશે, that we called demand, કે થાય છે તેને આપણે ડિમાન્ડ કહીએ છીએ. હવે લીડ ટાઈમ આવશે. નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ કે તમે જ્યારે ઓર્ડર રિપ્લેસ કરો ને એકચ્યુઅલ તમને વસ્તુ મળે, તો એ બે વચ્ચેનો સમયગાળો છે, વી કોલ ઇટ લીડ ટાઈમ. Next topic is 5. Lead time. It is the time between placing of an order and realization in stock. So we call it lead time here. So I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.